Hello friends, myself Sanjay Math, Mechanical Engineering Department of Walchand Institute of Technology Solapur. Today I am going to engage how to draw the orthopic projection. So the learning outcome for this process is student will able to draw the orthopic projection of a simple problem. So this is a simple problem is given to you. So we have to draw the front view. So front view in the direction of x simple object. This object is given to you. When you have to draw this one, in the direction of x, you have to draw front view. So when you have to go for a front view, top view, side view, right hand side view, left hand side view. So here, first you have to know the maximum dimensions of that view. What is the maximum dimension of front view? So here it is given, what is the height? So here center to center distance is given as 60 mm. And radius is given as a 20, 60 plus 20, 80. Or bottom में दिया है 20 mm. So 100 mm is height is to be there. And what is the width for that? The width is given as a 40. Up to 40 it is to be here. 40 mm up to here. So 40 plus 20, that is a 60. And this radius is given as 20. Means 60 plus 20, 80 plus 20, 100. So it is a 100 by 100 mm block is to be there. So make a dimensions of 100 by 100 mm block. 100 by 100, that is the height is 100 and this width or length is to be 100. So make a simple construction line for this process, 100 by 100. So whatever you have to draw it, in that you have to draw, these are the boundary for that one. So whatever you have to draw it, that is in between that block, 100 by 100. Now when you have to see in these directions, this surface is parallel to you. So where you have to start it? This semicircle, it is parallel to you. So first of all, fix the center and draw the circular part is to be there as it is. What is the center for this? This it is given as a 40. Means from this end, it is a 20. So 20 by 20. From the top end, you have to travel 20 mm, and from right hand side, you have to travel 20 mm. So this is the center point. You have to fix the location center. This center you have to fix it. It is given as total 40. This semicircular diameter of this semicircular is 40. Then center line is a 20. Then first you have to complete the this curved part, circular part. What is the dimensions? It is given as a 20. You have to complete it. And from this center line, how much this surface is? It is given as a 20. So you have to travel 20 mm bottom one. It's up to here 20 mm. Then this rectangular slab, it is as it is. It is given as 20. Complete it. Up to here. And the height or the depth or the width of that circular part is 12 mm is given. So complete it 12 mm. 10 and 12. And you have to complete it. Now here, for this one more circular hole is there at the center, and its diameter is given as 16, 516, means radius is 8 mm. So it is parallel to you. Draw the circle of 8 mm. So this portion is over. Now where it is, this rectangular slab up to bottom one, it is up to here. What is the depth? It is given as a 12 mm. You have to draw a 12 mm and extend this line. and extend this one. So this slab is over. Now this hole is over, this hole. There is two holes are there which is invisible. One hole is to be here for here and one hole is to be here. So what is the center for here? It is a 20 from this end. When you have to see from the front view, it is 20 from the center line. So from this end, draw first center line. And it is a invisible, hidden one. So it is draw as a dotted line. कितना dotted? Radius is 20 mm. Radius is 20. लेकिन ये 516 है. So 8 mm. So 60 means 8 and 8 on the both side, right and left. 8 mm and 8 mm. Both side you write this hidden one. Now one more hole is here at the bottom. कितना है? यहाँ से this center to center 60. So locate this center. This center to center is 60, and again radius is 16. Again it is invisible when you have to see from the top view. So it is a dotted one, and diameter is 16, means radius is 8 mm. Eight, 16. So draw a dotted line. So this part is over, this part is over, this part is over. So this is all about the front view. ठीक है? And when you have to go for the top view, when you have to see from the top view, what is the maximum dimensions? Maximum dimension is 12 plus 16 plus 12. 12 to the 24, 24 or 16, 30 and 40. ठीक है? So make a block of 40. And this length, how much this length is there? 40. Up to here it is a 40. 40 plus 20, 60. 60 plus 20, 80. So make a block of 80. So I am drawing this one on the another page because these dimensions are not cleared here. So that's why. Then when you have to go for a top view, this portion is to be visible directly. So draw the center line and draw this circular part. Center कितना है उसका? 12 plus 12, 40 and 16 means 20 mm पे center line is to be there. So from this we have to draw this curve part is parallel to you when you have to see from the top view. When you have to see from the top view, radius is given as 20 mm. Extend it one, this line. Then one more hole is there which is again parallel to 516 means radius is 8 mm. That circle is visible. So this part is over. Now this two slabs are there. When you have to see from the top view, it is seen as a, instead of circular one, it is a rectangular slabs are there. कितना है उसका width total is 40 and 12 mm. From this side 12 mm and top and bottom 12 and 12. It is a 12. And length is 40. Completed. ठीक है. Now this slab is to be over. These two slabs having circular hole is there, but when you have to see from the top view, they are invisible. ठीक है. So it is a dotted line. Draw it. What is the center? It is a 20 means it is 40 means it is a 20. From this end, draw the center line on both the end. And radius is given as 16 means 8 and 8 mm, right and left. It's a dotted one because it is invisible. So this part is over, this circular part is over. What about this slab? There is one more edge is there, which is this edge from this end to this end. It is invisible. So this portion up to here, it is to be, you have to draw it. So this portion is to be dotted one. कितना है उसका? ये 12 mm है, rectangular slab. So from this 12, from this end, 12 mm is here. It is a dotted. Draw a dotted line. From this end to this end. Again, there is a circular hole is there at the center. It is invisible. From this end, it is from this center line. From here to go for the top, it is at a center line. So, from this center line, draw as it is a dotted one for this slab. From this end, it is 16. Locate this one. Center line is here, and it is a 8 and 8 mm. 8 and 16, and depth is 12 mm. Means up to here. So it is hidden one from this end. So this is a top view. So when you have to draw this one, first we have to calculate the maximum dimensions. Okay. For this, what you have to first calculate it when you have to draw any view. Think over that. Yes, first of all you have to calculate the maximum dimension in which way you have to draw it is a maximum dimensions. Thank you.